This is Sony Bravia 4K Android Smart TV. Here, backlight glows and audio is also okay but no picture. How can we solve this problem easily? Namaste, me Diveshri and you are watching YouTube channel Vcore LC. We would be blessed if you like this video right now and please watch our video completely. Backlight and audio is okay, that's why we should not doubt in backlight board and main board. Now we are testing voltage in T-con board. There is a connection of T-con in main board from 2 FFC cable. This is 41 pin wafer and this is of 51 pin. If 51 pin FFC cable carries 8 pair signal data, 12 volt supply and control signals, then 41 pin FFC cable carries only 8 pair signal data. On the basis of this 16 pair LVDS data and control signal, it works to 120 Hz refresh rate, 3840 x 2160 resolution panel and processes high dynamic range 4K video. Here in most of power inductor, waveform and proper voltage is shown. Even though voltage are just like HD or Full HD panel, some voltage are different like VGH even. Variation occurs between -8 volt and +28 volt in this point. Multimeter is also showing all voltage like this. If you don't have this type of equipments, then don't worry. I will share one very easy and effective method which can be done without testing tools to solve this problem. In this condition, we should check whether there is loose connection in connectors or some insects has moisture or not. I used to clean and keep it in sunlight for some time by disconnecting cable. In this way, our TV is also on. This was not so big problem. After this, thing which we have to do is software update. Software fault also arises this type of problem. It is very easy to update software in Sony as it gives user-friendly software update. You can easily update software by logging in official website of Sony or typing model number directly in Google. You can download software from TV with the help of automatic software download function. If your internet is slow, then it may consume more time, and if your TV becomes off, then your mainboard may damage. That's why I always update software or firmware with the help of USB. Thanks for watching this video.